When new tasks come in, the hardest part isn't assigning them. It's choosing who should take them on. You need to see who's available, who's already overloaded, and how a new task will impact the team's workload. With the new drag-and-drop assignment functionality from the Workload view, you can assign unassigned tasks while seeing everyone's capacity in real time, so you can confidently choose the best person for the job. Here is how it works. Go to your Birdview account and navigate to the Resource menu. Next, open the Workload tab. From the Show menu, enable the Unassigned Activities toggle. Workload is now split into two sections. At the top, you see the usual Workload view with users and their assignments. At the bottom, you see a resizable list of unassigned activities, grouped by project and filtered using the same Workload filters. It might be helpful to apply the filter by project to focus on a single project at a time. To assign an activity, drag and drop it onto a team member or pick one from the activity's details. Once assigned, it disappears from the unassigned list, appears under the selected user, and is immediately included in workload calculations. To unassign the activity, open up its details and remove the assignee. For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.